Ordered sets. Recall that a relation on a set describes a relationship among the set's objects. We will be interested only in binary relations. The idea is that given two objects from a set, either these two objects satisfy the given relationship or they do not. Let's look at an example. Equals is a binary relation on the set of natural numbers. The statement 0 equals 0 is true, whereas the statement 0 equals 1 is false. Notice that for natural numbers a and b, the statement a equals b is true if and only if a and b are the same natural number. Instead of saying a equals b is true, we will simply write a equals b. Instead of saying a equals b is false, we will write a not equal to b. More generally, if A is any set, then equals is a binary relation on the set A. Once again, A equals B if and only if A and B are the same element of the set A. Another example. Let capital A equal the set consisting of little a, b, and c. Recall that the power set of A is the following. Power set of A is equal to the set consisting of the empty set, the set containing A, the set containing B, the set containing C, the set containing A and B, the set containing A and C, the set containing B and C, and the set containing A, B, and C. Subset is a binary relation on the power set of A. We have, for example, the set containing little a is a subset of the set containing little a and c, whereas the set containing little a is not a subset of the set containing little b and c. More generally, if X is any set, then subset is a binary relation on the power set of X. Another example. Less than or equal to is a binary relation on the set of natural numbers. We have, for example, 2 less than or equal to 7 and 2 less than or equal to 2, whereas 2 is not less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to is also a binary relation on many other sets, such as the integers, the rational numbers, and the real numbers. Let's try an exercise. Consider the binary relations less than and greater than on the set of integers. Determine if each of the following statements is true or false. Go ahead and pause the video now. Try this exercise yourself and then resume the video to check your answers with mine. 0 less than -1 is false. -1 greater than -3 is true. -1 not less than -5 is true. 5 not greater than -5 is false. 5 is greater than -5. We will usually use the letter capital R to represent an arbitrary binary relation. We can read the statement ARB as A is related to B. We say that a binary relation R on a set A is reflexive if for all A in A is related to A. Symmetric if for all AB in A related to B implies B related to A. Transitive if for all ABC in A related to B and B related to C imply A is related to C. Anti-reflexive if for all A in A is not related to A. Antisymmetric if for all AB in A related to B and B related to A imply A equals B. And trichotomous if for all A, B, and A, exactly one of A related to B, B related to A, or A equal to B holds. Let's look at an example. Let A be a non-empty set and consider the binary relation equals on A. Let's go through each of these properties and see if this binary relation equals satisfies each property. So reflexive, if for all A in A is equal to A, is true. Symmetric, for all AB in A equals B implies B equals A, is true. Transitive, for all ABC in A equals B and B equals C imply A equals C, is true. Antireflexive, for all A in A is not equal to A, that's false. Antisymmetric, for all AB in A equals B and B equals A imply A equals B, that's true. Trichotomous, for all A, B, and A exactly one of A equals B, B equals A, or A equals B holds. That's not true. Another example. Let A be a set with at least two elements and consider the binary relation subset on the power set of A. Again, let's go through each property and check if they are true or false. Reflexive, if for all x in the power set of A, x is a subset of x. That's true. Symmetric, for all xy in the power set of A, x a subset of y implies y is a subset of x. That's false. For example, the set containing 0 is a subset of the set containing 0 and 1, but the set containing 0 and 1 is not a subset of the set containing 0. Transitive, if for all x, y, z in the power set of A, x a subset of y and y a subset of z implies x a subset of z, that's true. Antireflexive, if for all x in the power set of A, x is not a subset of x, that's false. Antisymmetric, for all x, y in the power set of A, x a subset of y and y a subset of x imply x equals y, that's true. Trichotomous, for all x, y in the power set of A, exactly one of x a subset of y a subset of x, or x equals y holds. That's false. For example, the set containing 0 is not a subset of the set containing 1. The set containing 1 is not a subset of the set containing 0. And the two sets are also not equal to each other. Another example, consider the binary relation less than or equal to on n. Again, let's go through each property, checking if they are each true or false. Reflexive, if for all A in n, A is less than or equal to A. That's true. Symmetric, if for all A, B in n, A less than or equal to B implies B less than or equal to A. That's false. For example, 0 is less than or equal to 1, but 1 is not less than or equal to 0. Transitive, if for all A, B, C in n, A less than or equal to B and B less than or equal to C imply A less than or equal to C. That's true. Antireflexive, for all A in n, A is not less than or equal to A. That's false. Antisymmetric, for all A, B in n, A less than or equal to B and B less than or equal to A imply A equal B. That's true. Trichotomous, for all A, B in n, exactly one of A less than or equal to B, B less than or equal to A, or A equals B holds. That's false. 0 is less than or equal to 0 and 0 equals 0 both hold. Another exercise. We'll consider the relation greater than on Z and check the various properties. First, go ahead and pause the video. Try this exercise yourself, and then resume the video to check your answers with mine. Okay, is greater than reflexive on Z? No. For example, 1 is not greater than 1. Is greater than symmetric on Z? No. 2 is greater than 1, but 1 is not greater than 2. Is greater than transitive on Z? Yes. Is greater than antireflexive on Z? Yes. Is greater than antisymmetric on Z? Yes. This is true vacuously because A greater than B and B greater than A cannot occur simultaneously. Is greater than trichotomous on Z? Yes. A binary relation less than on a set A is a strict linear ordering on A if less than is transitive and trichotomous on A. In this case, we call A less than an ordered set. Let's look at some examples. The binary relation less than on the set of natural numbers is a strict linear ordering. Therefore, n less than is an ordered set. The binary relation less than on Z is a strict linear ordering. Therefore, Z less than is an ordered set. The binary relation less than on Q is a strict linear ordering. Here we have A over B less than C over D if and only if AD is less than BC. Therefore, Q less than is an ordered set. The binary relation equals is not a strict linear ordering on any non-empty set A because it is not trichotomous on A. Therefore, A equals is not an ordered set. Another example, let X be the set of planets in our solar system. Define a binary relation less than on X by X less than Y if X is closer to the sun than Y. Then less than is a strict linear ordering on X. Therefore, X less than is an ordered set. Another exercise, determine if each of the following is an ordered set. Go ahead and pause the video now, try this exercise, and then resume the video to check your answers with mine. N less than or equal to. No, this is not an ordered set. Less than or equal to is not trichotomous on N. For example, 0 less than or equal to 0 and 0 equals 0 both hold. Z less than or equal to. No, same reason. Less than or equal to is not trichotomous on Z, and we could use the same counterexample. N greater than. Yes. Z greater than. Yes. The power set of A together with proper subset. Here A is a set with at least 2 elements, and we have the proper subset relation. No. Proper subset is not trichotomous on the power set of A. For example, set containing 0 is not a proper subset of the set containing 1. The set containing 1 is not a proper subset of the set containing 0, and the two sets are not equal to each other either. If A less than is an ordered set, so that less than is a strict linear ordering on A, then we define the binary relation less than or equal to on A by A less than or equal to B if and only if A is less than B or A is equal to B. In this case, less than or equal to is called a linear ordering on A. One more exercise. Let A less than be an ordered set so that less than is a strict linear ordering on A. Verify each of the following statements about the corresponding linear ordering less than or equal to. Go ahead and pause the video now, try this exercise yourself, and then resume the video to check all of your answers. Less than or equal to is not trichotomous on A. If A is an A, then A less than or equal to A and A equals A both hold. Less than or equal to is reflexive on A. Let A be an A. Since A is equal to A, by definition, we have A less than or equal to A. Less than or equal to is antisymmetric on A. Let AB be an A with A less than or equal to B and B less than or equal to A. If A is not equal to B, then A is less than B and B is less than A. But this cannot happen because less than is trichotomous on A. So A is equal to B. Less than or equal to is transitive on A. Let A, B, C be an A with A less than or equal to B and B less than or equal to C. If A equals B, then A is less than or equal to C by direct substitution. If B equals C, then A is less than or equal to C by direct substitution. If A is less than B and B is less than C, then A is less than C because less than is transitive. Less than or equal to satisfies the following comparability condition on A. If AB is in A, then A less than or equal to B or B less than or equal to A. Let AB be in A If A is less than B or A equals B, then A is less than or equal to B. Otherwise, B is less than A, in which case B is less than or equal to A. If A less than is an ordered set, we may write B greater than A in place of A less than B. We may also write B greater than or equal to A in place of A less than or equal to B.